right? All fixed expenses. You find out NOI here, right? Okay, let's continue our previous exercise. You took the pictures, and please also take this picture as well and find out how much ending inventory consists of fixed manufacturing overhead, plus you need to prepare your income statement using variable costing, right? And the difference, of course, I told you the difference is because of ending inventory valuation of absorption and variable costing. That's it. So I'm gonna make you again in absorption costing. Please take a picture. So 7.1 example, you already calculated the variable costing and fixed costing values. Please put it here and find out the ending inventory. How much the ending inventory consists of fixed manufacturing cost, and then you need to prepare the variable costing. Please take a picture, and I'm going to be starting the breakout room. Here we go. May please accept. May, can you please accept? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now please ask again.
Yeah, I don't understand, like, what is the numbers that link to the previous one? You mean the first question we did just now?
Yes. So you need to determine how much of the ending inventory consists of fixed manufacturing overhead. So in our, can you give me the controls here, Minsu? How can I?
Yes.
How can I do that? Here we go. So you see here, can you see?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we can see now, yes.
Yes, we know that in our 225, right? 250 unit to 25 units. We just calculated that 700 is our fixed cost,
Yes.
and 460 our variable cost.
Yes.
So the difference is 240.
Okay.
So 240 would be fixed manufacturing overhead.
Okay, okay.
240 multiplied by 25, that would be the difference. Understand? Hello?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Can
understand.
you explain?
Is it hard? The question?
No,
No, understand.
I
We
just
understand the question.
Okay. Okay. Now can you do that?
Yes.
All the data is here. You can make variable costing income statement as well, right? Sale minus all the variable cost minus the fixed cost, you can find out that. But use 7.1 as reference as well, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Where
Okay, class.
is the
I'm
yeah?
sorry.
Okay, class. So, any question regarding?
Honestly, we couldn't really understood the first question. What do we need to find about it?
Okay,
Help it?
you need to find out how much consists of ending inventory, fixed manufacturing
Mhm.
overhead. So, if you can give me the control.
Yes, sure.
Can you see the control here? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what you have to do. So you know that how much is the ending inventory? Refer to our 7.1, right?
Mhm.
We know that
Yeah.
our fixed, absorption costing is 700, 460 over variable costing. The difference is 240. 240 multiplied by
So
2.
I'm sorry, but where is the 460 came from?
This is the variable costing we did in our 7.1,
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I understand.
Right? And
Yeah.
also, now you can now for part 2, simple variable costing income statement, sales minus all variable expenses minus all fixed expenses. You have net operating income. Can you do that?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go to the next group. Okay. Please complete.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Let me share it again.
Hello, class. Any difficulty here?
What?
Any question you want to ask?
Yeah, about the second question. Yeah, the
Okay.
second one. So we just use the formula, right? Sales minus variable expenses.
All variable expenses.
All the it means direct labor, direct material.
Okay. You will find out all these information in your 7.1 exercise, previous exercise.
All right. Okay. So
Okay, go back over there and find out.
I have to.
Or let me show you here. You see here, in our 7.1, you have all the fixed, right?
Yeah, we also include selling and administrative, right?
Yes, because this is the income statement according to CVP.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Unit cost is different, income statement is different. To find out unit cost, we do not include variable selling and admin. But in making the income statement, we do include all the variable cost. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay. Please continue.
Oh my God, did I move it? See this? Oh, oh no, I.
Hello and welcome back of our breakout room activity. So let's compare our answer here. So for one here, determine how much of the ending inventory consists of fixed manufacturing overhead cost. For this one, you need to go back to our 7.1. You see here, the manufacturing overhead is 700 and also fixed manufacturing overhead 240. So in this question, how much is our ending inventory? 25. So our answer is just 25 multiplied by 240. What is the answer? 25 multiplied by,
6,000.
right? 6,000. Good. So that should be the difference between the profit of variable and absorption costing. So let's talk about its solution here. Right? 6,000. Well done. How we can find we can make the variable costing income statement? Sales minus all variable cost is equal to contribution margin and all fixed cost net operating income, right? So sales, they already given us 191,250. And what is the cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold. How we can find out the cost of goods sold? Opening inventory plus purchases or production minus closing. So opening 0, production or purchase 250 minus closing 25, 225, right? Which is equal to units sold. Multiply by variable costing. So in our 7.1 we find out variable costing is 460. Answer is this, 103500, right? And also our variable selling in admin. Where did we find that? Go back to our 7.1. Right? Variable selling and admin, 20. 20 multiplied by the unit sold, 225. Answer would be, okay, sorry, here. Answer would be 450. So we add here 4,500 as well. So when you less sales minus all variable cost, you would find out the CM 108. Sorry, it would be 80. Let me remove here. So are you getting my point, everyone? That is 83,250, right? And let me check your answer as well. Where did you make mistake?
Exactly right, sir.
Okay. Many of you guys made a mistake here. Where is the third group? We have Stella, Ayana.
Yeah, sir, I'm sending.
Okay. There we go, Minsu. Just send it to me. Okay, you got my point? What's going on here? Right? And what is the fixed cost? Fixed costs include both fixed manufacturing overhead and fixed selling. So you see 80,000. 3,250. Right? And if you add the ending inventory fixed manufacturing overhead here, so that would be equal to absorption costing profit. Right? Understand? So this is the reason they ask question number 1. So the difference between the variable costing profit and absorption